What's up guys, I'm Sato. Thanks for tuning into Hangry. Today we're gonna make this pasta that I really like to make. Super easy to whip up. All you need is scallions, lots of garlic, oil, butter, chili flakes, lemons, Parmesan cheese, frozen shrimp, raw, peeled, ready to go, and of course, the essential wine. Am I gonna get drunk while I'm doing this? I don't know. Also, I forgot, we're using hard pasta. First thing that we gotta do is make garlic oil.
Separate a whole head of garlic and then place the cloves into a bowl and pour hot water on it. That's gonna make it easier to peel. That's a tip that I learned from Nadia from Great British Baking Show.
So now what we're gonna do is gonna take all this garlic and put it into a pot. See? And then we're gonna take the oil and put that into the pot as well. And that just goes on the oven. So you want to make sure you keep the garlic moving. So right when it's golden brown is when we want to take the chili flake and throw that in. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it and we're gonna put it right into an ice bath to stop the cooking. So the next thing we're gonna do is just start to deep thaw the shrimp. So I just put enough cold water to cover it, and that's just gonna let the shrimp deep thaw, and it's gonna happen pretty quickly. Okay guys, so our garlic oil is ready to go. Boom. We got our shrimpies. I just drained them off. We're gonna cut them up so that they're ready to go into the pasta. Next up, we're gonna slice up some scallions. We're just gonna cut the tops off, and we really only want this green part, but make sure you save these. In the time of COVID, you can actually stick these in water and they will regrow. Hot tip.
Grate the Parmesan cheese so that it's ready to go before you start cooking the pasta.
All right guys, so now that we have all of our ingredients ready to go, nothing left to do but the fun part. We're just gonna whip together this pasta. It takes 2 seconds, comes together really quickly. Is another reason why I like this. Here we go. We got a crying baby. Oh, it's really happening, people. So our water's boiling. We're just gonna season it with a little bit of salt. And then in goes a pound of pasta. And we're just gonna let that boil for 8 minutes.
And make sure you stir up the pasta to prevent the noodles from sticking together.
So while that's boiling, we're gonna get a pan ripping hot, a little bit of oil. You want the oil to be shimmering in the pan. We're gonna take our shrimp. The shrimp cooks super quick. We're just gonna hit it with a little bit of seasoning. But we're gonna keep the heat all the way up. So we have our shrimp cooked through. We're just gonna put that into a clean bowl. Okay. Then, pasta's just about done. We're gonna take the garlic chili oil. Chili oil in a pan. Timer's done. We're gonna take some pasta water.
Then you're gonna add the pasta water to the pan. What this is gonna do is the starches in the pasta water are gonna mix with the fats from the sauce, and it's gonna help emulsify the pasta with the sauce. Once you add the noodles to the pan, immediately begin to stir and flip the pasta. This is gonna help aerate and bind the pasta to the sauce. Once the sauce is reduced down, then you can start to add in your other ingredients. First, you're gonna add a little bit of lemon zest, which is gonna add a nice brightness to the pasta. Then lemon juice. Add the shrimp back into the pasta, turn off the heat, and add a couple of tablespoons of butter. Again, you want to keep stirring the pasta. See how I'm picking up the pasta and letting it drop and fold over itself? That helps work air into the pasta, which adds a nice velvetyness to the sauce. Add the Parmesan cheese and the scallions, and again, you're just going to keep stirring. That really helps to emulsify the sauce with the pasta. and it's gonna make it nice and velvety and delicious. And then that's pretty much it, guys. Finish it up with a little bit of black pepper and we're done.
So that's it, guys. Super quick, easy, delicious pasta. Give it a try. Thanks for tuning in to Hangry. Now I'm just gonna eat this. So good. Bye. Okay.